Dua for seeking forgiveness. Sayyid al-Istighfar. Allahumma anta rabbi la ilaha illa anta khalaqtani wa ana abduk wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'at a'udhu bika min sharri ma sana'at أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. O Allah, you are my Lord. None has the right to be worshipped except you. You created me, and I am your servant, and I abide to your covenant and promise to honor it as best I can. I take refuge in you from the evil of which I committed. I acknowledge your favor upon me, and I acknowledge my sin. So forgive me, for verily none can forgive sins except you. Sahih al-Bukhari 6306.